Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
4 minutes. No place for my friend.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen,
No place.
we have a special presentation from His Excellency Governor Akinwumi Ambode of Lagos State to the President. So if I can please invite you on stage. Angela Kijo, please on stage. Yusufu, please all of our creators, nice to see my everyone artists. All of our creators from tonight, if you could please come us inside. So if you don't mind, please. Can we have all our creators here tonight? Can we have the MP? Can we have Asha? Ladies and gentlemen, please, they told me you are here, still here, please join us. Any of our artists, Maya Tapo, Ito Mbasi, if you are still here, please join us on stage. If you performed or presented tonight, please join us on stage. Auntie, please, you are the reason why we Rita Dominic, Ramsey Noah, everybody please, if you were part of the presentation tonight, can you please join us on stage now? Olivier, please join us. Sabo, if you're here, please join us. All of our actors, if you're in the Nollywood street, please join us. Sir, our ambassador, that's security. Do we have everybody on stage? Sir.
Everyone of us will agree that we've had a fantastic night. And we believe strongly there's nothing we can show in sense of appreciation. There's nothing that we can actually show. But in this little gift is a painting that depicts everything that we have done tonight and what President Macron stands for. A new beginning, a new chapter that recognizes Africa the way Africa should be, and he appears to be the new champion that will carry that crusade. And in this little gift, on behalf of all Lagosians, we give you what it is about arts and culture in Lagos and in Nigeria. We thank you so much for spending our time with us, and we believe so much that this is a new beginning in the relationship of France and Nigeria, and most especially for Lagos business and Lagos culture and the whole energy that Lagos represents.
Okay, everybody on stage, one legendary selfie to mark tonight. Everybody getting close.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any events, you can call us.